Open your web browser and enter CRA My Account into Google. Select the My Account for Individuals search result. We have also provided a link to this page in the description below this video. On the CRA sign-in page, select Register if you are a new user. Enter your social insurance number, then select Next. Enter your postal code, date of birth, and the dollar amount of the requested line in your personal tax return. Pay attention to the tax return year being requested. If the line in your return contains any cents, do not include them, dollars only. Select Next when you're finished. If the postal code you entered matches the CRA's records, a verification code will be mailed to you within 10 business days. This code will be required to complete the account verification process. If you have moved since filing your most recent personal tax return and haven't done so already, you will need to call the CRA to update your records before going any further. The number to call is on your screen. Select Next. You may now create a user ID and password for your account. Ensure you satisfy the requirements listed for both. After you've created your user ID and password, select Next. You'll now be asked to create 5 security questions as an added layer of security. Once you've selected your questions and entered your answers, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Do not ask me a security question each time I log in using this device. Then select Next. Review your security questions and answers, then select Next. Review the terms and conditions of use, then enter your user ID and password at the bottom to agree. You should now have limited access to your CRA My Account for Individuals until you receive your verification code. When you receive your verification code in the mail, navigate to the same sign-in page discussed at the beginning of this video. Remember, a link to this page can be found in the description below this video. This time, however, instead of selecting Register if you are a new user, select Sign In. You may now enter the security code you received in the mail. This will complete the verification process. Select Next. Congratulations! You now have full access to CRA My Account for Individuals. You are also now able to set up a CRA My Business account. If you need one, watch our video tutorial, link in the description below.